Our engineers have incorporated every advanced concept in CO2 laser technology into these machines and completely redesigned them, featuring a built-in chiller and a powerful compressor, autofocus, and servo motors with a speed of 1,200 mm per second for ultra-fast engravings. Introducing the next generation machines, Wattsan PRO. More powerful, faster, and more precise than base models. This series is designed to boost your production volumes. This is the Wattsan channel. I'm Coco. Subscribe to become part of our community of laser and CNC enthusiasts. And let's get started. The frame features increased enclosure thickness at 2.9 mm is significantly reduced vibration. For you, this means uninterrupted, stable operation over the long term. On top, you will find special tempered glass. It is scratch and heat resistant. It allows you to safely monitor the machining process without needing to open the cover. Running along the body of the 6090 Pro is an acrylic statue strip. It displays the machine's status, allowing you to monitor its condition from any angle without interrupting your work. Green indicates normal operation. Red lights up when there is an error or issues. Here is the control panel with a touch screen. With it, the setup process is simple and fast. There is also a potentiometer for fine-tuning laser power instantly during work. Below, on the side panel, you can see numerous indicator icons. This design allows for convenient machine monitoring and enhanced safety. Behind the new design, it's crucial to know that our engineers have housed the chiller and compressor inside the frame. That saves space, reduces setup time, and simplifies maintenance. No additional devices are needed around the machine. What's new inside? Motors. As standard, they're stepper motors with feedback. They have increased accuracy due to real-time position correction. Consequently, they prevent lost steps during fast or complex tasks and provide reliable cooperation under high loads. The Wattsan 6090 Pro features a lifting table, driven a ball screw, and stepper model. Together, they ensure accurate and stable height adjustment. This table also supports precise focus setting for flawless operations, and it can handle a weight of up to 80 kilograms. Speaking of focus, the Pro models come with a built-in automatic focus adjustment system. It ensures clean cuts and high-quality engraving. But what's even better? It saves time and eliminates manual errors. Safety. Our engineers have implemented a system for full-time monitoring in real time. The machine includes air and water sensors. They allow you to check air pressure, water flow, and temperature. Status panel. It displays the current air mood and all key system parameters. Instant alerts. They notify the operator if limits are exceeded. This protects the optics and laser source. Dual Siemens RCCB with line contactors. Independent protection for each power line. Fast fault detection and shutdown. And a safe and controlled startup for both lines. The machine is also equipped with the Fire Overwatch Expert system or FOX system. Its sensor detects fire, triggering a lost alarm to notify you immediately. This fast response protects your workshop and prevents serious damage. It's safe at all times. Control. Ruida recently announced its next-generation controller, the RDC8445S. Our company was among the first to test it, and these very controllers are installed in the Pro Series machines. For now, here are the key features. It has built-in Wi-Fi. The machine can even create its own network to operate without an internet connection. This enables you to transfer files easily by sending projects wirelessly through Wi-Fi. A fast and flexible workflow. The Ruida controller allows you to control the machine remotely and stay updated via the mobile app, Menti Solo. It has 1 GB of memory compared to 128 MB in the older controllers. With it, you can manage both CO2 machines and laser markers from a single device. Capabilities. We've also added a dual air pressure system. This switch lets you choose between high pressure from the compressor for cutting and low pressure for engraving. One switch to make a quick change. Save time on every task. If you work with rotary attachment, you will love this next feature. Our engineers have implemented a dedicated rotary connector. You no longer need to disconnect the y-axis and risk wiring errors. Simply plug in the device here and press this switch. Done! Fast and easy. The Wattsan 6090 Pro is just one model in our new lineup. Machines are available in various sizes, up to 1,600 mm multiplied 1,000 mm. Furthermore, we will soon await updates to our classic models as well. In short, CO2 machines are reaching a new level. So, subscribe to us here on Telegram or WeChat, and stay tuned for news and questions. Ask them in the comments. We also offer customer support and training. Our engineer can visit you on site to demonstrate how to work with the machines. Well, you've been watching the Wattsan channel. I'm Coco. Subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.